Welcome back, everyone!
Today we're going to do the mystery button of slime challenge.
There's 2 good buttons that work and there's 2 bad buttons. These are the 2 bad buttons and these are the 2 good ones. They each make different sounds and we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Yeah. Whoever goes first will have the blindfold on and the other person will mix the buttons up so they don't know. Then they'll press the button. If they get one without a sound, they'll have to choose from the bad bowl. If they get a good button, they can choose from the glues or the good bowl. So, should we get into it?
Yeah. You want to go first? Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, yes!
Yes!
Okay, stick the blindfold on.
First turn of the game.
I'm excited because I get to mix them up like in tricky. Okay. Make sure it's covered. You okay?
Yes, can't breathe. Yeah, it's good now.
Can't see out the bottom, can you?
No.
Okay. Okay, I'm done.
Alright.
Here, like, I've done them in the same line. Oh! You have to pick from the bad one. Okay, take your blindfold off and choose what you want. There's lots of different ones though.
Just get my bowl.
Oh, there's jelly.
Ah. Jelly?
Jelly.
Whoa, we've got jelly.
Where should we? We'll just leave them here.
Oh, I'm going to pick some milk to go in.
Okay.
Milk.
Pour a little bit of that in. Should you pour it in now or at the end?
Pour it in.
Okay. Oh, I kind of really want a sip of that.
Strawberry. Is that enough?
Maybe a bit more if you want. Okay, that's about enough. It smells good. At least your slime will be nice and scented. Okay.
That one's gone.
Okay, mix them please. It's around my nose so I can't see. You're done. Are they in the line? I'm just asking. Like, why is it so silent?
Yeah.
Okay, you done?
One.
Where are they?
Oh, there's one.
Okay.
There's one.
This is the furthest to the right. Okay.
No!
Yes, I got a good one! Yay! Okay.
Oh.
I get to choose from the good ingredients. Or I can choose the glue. I want the clay.
Ah.
I think you'll find that that's cheating. Are you okay breathing?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? I'll mix them up.
I'm seeing.
Okay, done. So don't push them down too hard. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there, and there's one there.
Ah!
You pushed
That
that.
wasn't
so
me
you
to
got
do
it
that.
wrong. You can't do that, Theo. You pushed it. It was in this order. Okay, what are you gonna choose?
Some noodles.
Oh, I wanted them out of the bad ones and the best. Oh, you need to crush them up.
Chicken flavour.
Look at this. Look at this, guys. Don't eat that,
Should I add in a bit of that?
That would be good to crunch though, I'm just saying. Just be careful, it might hurt.
Half of it.
Do you want some chicken flavour in that as well?
Another quarter. Yeah, I want some chicken flavour, please.
You don't have to add it in.
Nah, I quite like chicken. So. Bit of chicken flavour. Be good, that will.
It looks like peas. It looks like peas.
There is peas in there.
Oh yeah. Gotta eat your vegetables, guys. Okay.
Right. Goes on the floor.
Blindfold down. Mix them up. It's covered.
Okay, I'm done, Talia. Oh!
Yeah! Okay.
I'm picking them.
There's flour. That couldn't be too. Oh, it melts slime actually. I'm not picking the worms. They're just weird.
The mealworms, guys. We've got mealworms. Some, like, because we're eliminating every one.
Sunflower
Somebody's
seeds?
gonna have
I
to
like
get
sunflower seeds. They're yummy.
Picking
I
them.
smell some. Oh, I think it's that. It's really
Chicken.
sweet. These are my favourite cereal in the morning, guys. Mmm.
Oh, I better taste test as well.
These are unicorn Fruit Loops. They're really nice.
Yeah.
One more. And yellow. I'm gonna have a unicorn Fruit Loop slime. Okay, I'll mix it for you, Theo.
Thank you. No. Don't mix right, I can't mix it. You done? You done? You done? You done?
Yay!
That's such a random guess as accomplishment.
Okay, choose what you want. Or you can have white glue or the glue.
This one, please. Thank
Okay,
you.
but
I've got
save. Yeah,
got some
you can use.
Clear green PVA glue.
Woohoo! That's a bit of applesauce.
Okay.
That looks
Bit
cool,
more,
but
done.
weird at the same time.
It's got the ingredient that is. Put it on
Okay.
the floor. Shall I mix it now or after? I'm going to mix it after I am. Look at all that. Some
It
green.
looks like jelly.
Got some noodles, some chicken flavour in there. Bit of everything.
Upside down. Okay, gonna mix it. Hello, my name is Loga, and I'm
Go on in your turn.
No, I didn't get it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm choosing
Fine.
jelly. Actually, I might choose jelly or I might choose this.
Then, because that'll be like crunchy for these, won't they?
What would jelly do to your slime though?
Don't know.
Sorry, jelly. Are these edible today?
No.
They smell good.
Alright.
Oh yeah, you need the blindfold, sorry. I need to mix them. Ooh, I'm falling. Okay, I'm gonna do that. There you go.
What, you done?
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, that was easy.
What? Some shaving foam.
Oh, I wanted a fluffy slime. At least you've got a fluffy slime. But it's clear, so it might not mix that well. Hold it upright. You're holding it downwards.
Okay. You've got the wrong folder.
Okay, I think that's enough for you.
Yep. I do too.
Okay. Mix them,
Oh,
please.
come up. You can come.
Hours later. Hello. can hear.
Oh, I didn't know, didn't I? Yeah, both, yeah.
Okay. No!
Oh. Man.
I'm going
Oh,
with
you're
jelly.
picking this bad one.
Jelly.
Okay.
So jelly out is very wobbly.
My turn. You mix
Okay.
them?
Oh yeah, I need to mix them. I'm done.
Okay. So one there. One there. One there. Oh, where's
You're obviously looking.
Nah,
Did you keep
I'm
on getting them?
I felt like you go all the way over there and you gotta go in.
Okay, choose one.
Nice. Your turn to have it later. Mmm. I'm gonna choose. Got strawberry flavouring. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, I'm gonna have some glitter. I'm gonna have some blue glitter, guys.
Ah! Oh, that looks cool. And the green will go together and it'll make a kind of aqua.
It's on the floor.
Goggles on and ready. Sorry.
Oh, okay, your turn. You go.
Yay! Okay, finally I got a good thing. Ooh, let's use some glue.
Oh, jiggly that is, guys. See it all wobbling about. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble.
Okay, let's add some nice glue to
Nice.
make my slime base.
Smells like chicken.
Mine smells of eggs and strawberries.
And jelly. What's that?
Yeah. Okay, let's put this glue down here.
Where are they?
One there. One there. One there. One there. And one there. Oh, all the time! Woo!
Okay, I'm gonna go for some metallic
gold.
flakes. Metallic
Rose
flakes.
gold.
Rose gold metallic flakes.
Nice. Reminds
Shall
me
I put all of
things
these
at
in?
Christmas. Well, maybe a few. You might not want all.
Okay.
Well, that looks good with your glitter.
Look at that. It's snowing.
I don't know what mine's going to turn out like, guys. Really don't.
That was awesome. Wait, I'll float it down.
Buckle up, my friend.
Go now. They're all light in one.
Yeah!
You pressed it. No, it's alright. Go on.
Okay. Strawberry! Scent. Smells like strawberry starburst.
Something smelling really chicken.
Okay. Accidentally spilled it a tiny bit, but that's okay. Okay. Let me mix.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Ah.
Here. 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 Yay! I left you the worst ones.
What's this? Got some.
Cinnamon.
Mine's some cinnamon. Got some chicken. I'll have some cinnamon. Can I add it all?
Yep. You need to add all the bad stuff all of it. Cinnamon makes me sneeze.
Chicken and cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah.
You done?
Yeah, go on.
Oh, I can smell the cinnamon through this.
Oh!
Okay, yes, I got it anyway. Iridescent flakes.
Pink iridescent flakes. Sounds pretty cool.
Well, I might as well add the rest of them. Oh, that's really pretty.
Right, I was gonna go. Da-da-da.
Okay, let me mix
And
them.
hopefully it'll go. Oh. So now,
Done.
where?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah! Yes!
I thought
That
you
was
was going to
awesome.
fall for it because
I didn't know which one to go. I was like, oh.
Okay.
Your turn.
Choose
good
what
one.
you're going to
And what? Some
do. Orange flavoured.
orange.
It smells
extract.
like chocolate orange.
Actually, I'm gonna add some of these in.
Okay, don't add them all. Yeah, that's you, okay? It's really cool because you squeeze them and loads of slime comes out of them like bubbles. It's so cool. They're like chewing gum chunks, so you could have a pink one with blue in them or pink ones.
Done.
Or there could be marshmallows.
Yeah. Do not eat them.
Okay, Theo, your turn to mix the buttons for me.
Right, so let's press them. Okay, I kind of put them in the same position as you did. So, one there, one there, one there, and one there.
Okay.
Oh! It. I'm pretty sure she did.
Yeah, I did. So, yeah. Gonna choose. Something perfect. Oh, let's go down there. So I've done my slime, and it's a jelly world. Okay. Oh, I need to mix them.
How many more should we do? Should we do 2 more?
Yeah.
We're gonna mix them all first. Okay,
Okay.
ready? Ready. Dun, dun. Where are they?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't put your full hand on that. Yes! I feel like you're peeking because you're getting good like.
I just keep thinking like she's gonna trick me, so I'll go for the opposite one that she thinks. But I will go for.
Okay.
Okay. Some orange extract. We'll go nicely distributed.
I only do the lid part. Okay, do you want me to hold it for you? Or
I'm alright then.
okay. Smell it though, it smells really nice. Ooh, the cinnamon's really strong.
Okay, that is enough. That. Talia?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, you know. Your turn.
Yay!
That was really lucky. Chicken, orange, and cinnamon. Ooh, some more
Dark
flakes.
pink flakes.
Ooh.
One more round for you and then one more round for me after.
Okay.
Because you went first, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I need to mix with time.
Is one directly beneath my hand or my finger?
I'll show you where they are.
Yeah, but is one directly beneath my finger?
Yeah.
One there.
There. It was that.
Guys, I don't know what to choose, but look what's left. We've got some, what's that, shavings, some mealworms,
Yes, have them.
Angel Delights, some, what's that? Litter, ready mixed paint, black paint,
And flour.
and flour.
Flour's not that bad, I guess, but I do know it melts your slime. I put it in slime before.
I'm going to pick these mealworms. So like the meal.
Yes! You got bad slime.
So like the
Can they
chicken.
smell them? See if they smell
They
horrible.
smell nice.
Yeah.
I didn't want to try.
We need some air freshener in here.
They got to want that.
No thanks.
Putting
Regarding
toppings
the
on my
slime.
food.
Oh, this looks really pretty. And then there's yours with mealworms in it. I'm pretty
Oh, don't
you
have to add
them all.
There's a beetle in there.
Is there where?
Yeah, there.
Oh, there's that beetle in there.
Oh, there. Oh man, I wish I didn't pick that. I
At least
really
they're dead and
don't.
not alive.
Yeah.
They're alive, they're big crawling through slime. Oh! Okay. Mix it for me.
Hold on.
Are you done?
No. Hold on. Okay, done.
No, you put mealworms in my hair.
What?
Have you?
No.
I found something land on my head.
Don't know.
Did you?
Probably something fell off your head. Go
Why?
on. Try and pick some.
Ugh.
Yay! Well done, Talia.
What are you doing?
I ain't done
You're putting mealworms in my hair.
I'm not.
Stop it,
Uh-huh.
please. I'm gonna have to have a shower after this. Okay,
Last round,
so
Talia.
I've got a good one. I'm gonna pick. Glitter glue.
Okay, it's our last round, isn't it?
And there's only glitter left. So they're basically the same because they're both red.
Ready? I'm going to start mixing.
I'm not
But
ready
first,
yet.
have a little look.
Can't open it. Got it.
Voila.
Okay, let's pour a bit in. And I'm gonna put it on top of the red jelly. Do I have to add all of it? Okay. Looks like a volcano exploding.
Yeah, just a bit.
Ooh.
I think, I wonder who's going to turn out the best.
I think mine's gonna turn out the best.
Look how many bad stuff is in here. I got cinnamon, the brown powder, mealworms. I got the milk and the shaving cream, and at least there's some nice blue glitter on there, and on the peanuts.
Guys, I think mine looks better than Theo's. It's not the nicest looking slime, but we've got some red strawberry jello, some unicorn fruit loops, some sunflower seeds, some red glitter glue, some purple paint, and some flakes. So I'm pretty in love with it. So yeah, thumbs up. Let's activate. Guys, I really hope this activates. So let's mix it first and then let's activate because it'll be better.
Get mine open.
Okay, I'm gonna mush down my jelly. Oh, it's so weird to mush it down. It's like flubber. Red flubber.
Mine's like
Oh, this is so
watery.
weird. Look at it.
so, mine's
It's
so
so
warm.
flubbery.
The jelly.
Oh, the jelly is horrible.
Whoa. I think I'm going to start activating because I've got quite a good mix.
Okay, yours look like cookies and cream ice cream.
The smell.
Woo! Whoa. Ooh, mine smells of loads of different things. but it's not a nice smell.
It'll be better than mine now.
Smell it. Stinks. Let me smell
Oh,
yours.
the aftertaste. The after smell.
Yours smells like chicken.
I know, but chicken.
The after smell on this is horrible, but the first smell is nice.
Yep.
You can see the bits of jelly, they're just like not mixing. Look at them, can you see them there?
Yeah.
Oh,
Not floating on top, guys.
it's horrible. I'm really not looking forward to playing with this.
Oh.
Okay, let's shake it. Open it, there we go. Okay, activation in process. Oh, this is so weird, guys. Look at it. I don't think this is going to activate.
Dunno. With mine. Gotta be on the positive side.
Yeah, that's a good point.
I don't know if I should
Oh,
go with my hands because there's mealworms in there. What shall I do, Talia? Go with my hands or not? Gonna mealworms?
yeah, you need to go in with your hands, Theo. I need a stronger activate. Can I try yours?
Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, look at the noodles. Kind of soft.
oh, that's better. I need a stronger activating one. I'm not looking forward to playing with this.
Pretty good slime. I'm joking. A mealworm just stuck in my hand.
It's not alive, Theo. Don't get it on my side.
Noodles. Some mealworms. See that?
Mum, can I have a stronger activator, please?
Some
Run out.
peanut packaging. And what's that? A pea? I've got a pea on the end of my finger.
Thanks, Theo.
Some flakes there. Good thing in there.
That's the worst
tomato.
one in the world.
Tomato in there. There.
Guys, I'm going to carry on activating now.
Oh! The mealworms got sticking in. It's like, oh, look, they're everywhere.
It looks and smells horrible, Theo. I feel sorry for you. But I think mine's going to feel very cringy as well.
It's ripped.
Keep on mixing, keep on
Ah!
mixing.
It's mealworms.
No, you've got mealworms on the side, Theo. Literally stop it.
It's just like really slippy.
Can you get your mealworms off my side?
My mealworms.
You got them. Okay,
Yeah,
I'm going to go move my
mealworms.
hands in a minute.
Ah.
Just need to activate a bit more.
It's horrible.
I've still got my Daiso plate to add in after I activate it. Ooh, okay, I think I'm gonna go and move my hands in a sec. Just activating a bit more.
Get the mealworms off the table. Off the table. Off the
You've got all of it on my side,
It's in
Theo.
there,
That's just
isn't it?
weird.
Nothing.
It's horrible slime.
Thank you.
Sorry, Theo. It's just you picked the wrong buzzers. There's loads of mealworms on the floor from where you put them on your head, on my head. Okay,
Alright.
that's enough activating, and I need to add a bit more. Oh, this feels horrible. All the jelly's slimy in
Does it?
between your fingers. No!
Oh.
Oh, it feels quite nice actually.
I don't think we'll be keeping this one, guys.
No way. It's rank.
Ugh.
Almost done, guys.
I don't think I'm going to play with mine again because it is a bit disgusting.
It is a challenge for you.
I'm playing with it up to make it nice and smooth.
The jelly is so jelly.
Ugh.
I'll add in the dice, okay, and if I need to activate it anymore, I'll activate it. It could get a bit sticky, but it could get a bit more stiff. We don't really know. Wow. Should we feel it?
Yeah.
Not you. You've got weird hands.
No, look at that. That's clean there.
I'm still chucking it in. It feels really cool and soft. Okay, let's mix it. Whoa, this is really cool. Loads of bubbles are coming up in the slime. It's so cool. It's gonna go even more purple because blue and pink make purple. You can't really tell that there's any bad things in this, can you? Okay, you can. The jelly and everything.
Yeah.
But the jelly also to eventually mush down.
Yeah. This was an awesome challenge, but not when you're losing or getting all the bad stuff like mealworms and chicken flavoured pot noodles.
You decided to put the chicken in?
I didn't know what it was going to turn out, but like, it was awesome, wasn't it, Talia?
Yeah.
Especially for you.
Kind of.
Yeah. The buttons were awesome. I really liked the way like we had that blindfold on and we didn't know which one we were going to pick.
Yeah, it was really tempting.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get mine out. One now. Mix it in. It's not thoroughly mixed in, but it doesn't matter because it's a decent slime.
Yep.
It's not the nicest, but it's a decent slime to play with. It's crunchy. It's smooth because of the butter. It's stretchy because it's slime, and it's, yeah.
The butter or the clay?
The clay.
Yep.
I could always call it butter by accident. Guys, I think we should do this again.
Me too.
But with a twist.
What's the twist?
We pick each other's ingredients, good and bad.
Okay, I'm in.
So am I.
Yeah. I'll pick yours.
And I'll pick yours.
Okay, deal.
Ugh!
Ah!
No!
Guys, hasn't this been an awesome video? But not such awesome slime. Except from Talia's.
Well, it's not really that awesome because it keeps on melting because of the jelly, but
yeah.
It smells decent.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video.
Please like and subscribe. Bye!
See ya. Thanks for watching.
Grow slimes out.
Yeah.